Hey, what's up guys? So today I have a new product. It is a case for Galaxy Fold 3. Check it out. Okay guys, so this is basically the Galaxy Fold 3. It's right here. Nice phone. Opens up. Very nice. So I decided to get a case for it so I can take care of it. So I got this case right here. So let's get it open and check it out. Okay, so inside the case you have two alcohol and dry wipe, and then you have your front screen, which it is separated into two, front and back. Okay, so there's your front screen. It does have a screen protector, so this will go to the front of the phone. Alright, so to do the front one, I will clean it up. Start off with the wet one. Make sure you clean it up. And I'll grab the dry one. Dry it up. Okay, so you peel the inside off, just like that. So now you can see the holes on top. We will match it with these holes. Clip it. Okay, and take off this one. So that is the front screen. Okay, that's the front screen. Everything works. Very nice. Okay, now you grab the back side. You have a little tape right here. Take it off. Line up your cameras. Clip it on. So that is the back side. So this is the front, and that's the back. Good thing about it, you have your pen folder. Okay. So you will have your chance to put your pen right there. And you have your little kickstand. Okay, pretty nice. So when you are watching your videos, you can see that it stands up. Very nice case. Love it. One thing I did not like too much is that my pen sticks out. So if you have the Pro, it will stick out. Otherwise, it's nice.